Okay, so hello everyone, and we are doing a slime video, and I am at my grandpa's house making slime. I already made clear slime right here, but yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm videoing, so you have to add the stuff.
Okay.
And I'll help mix though. So here's this. This is a really good slime I made. One of my best. It's really soft and airy. I'm waiting for the air bubbles to pass. Well, in a little bit, yeah. Okay, so just putting that in.
Tell them the recipe. 2/3 cup.
They know, like everyone knows how to do slime. But if you want to see, it's right here. But I'm not adding any shaving cream. So this is like the natural way to do it. And then, yeah. So he's adding the glue in. You don't have to be so precise, you know. Papu, what color are we going to do?
We're into perfection here.
Okay. Papu.
2/3 cup.
Papu, what color are you going to do?
I think we need to do yellow.
Yellow? Well, definitely not doing yellow.
Oh, I need a rag. All right, 1/4
Baking soda.
teaspoon
And I'm just getting this stirred
of
up.
baking soda, right?
Wait, we gotta choose a color. What color are we gonna do? What's this? Deep pink. What's this? Fuchsia. And this is violet. This is flesh stone. I gotta choose a color.
1/4 teaspoon.
Sunset orange.
Recipe.
Royal blue. Ooh, okay. Maybe, okay, what color? Okay, Papu. Royal blue, deep pink, sky blue, or violet. Which color?
Let's do sky blue.
Okay, sky blue. You know what? I already have that color, though. I want to add a different color.
1½ tablespoons of,
I want to do deep pink.
what is it?
Wait, fuchsia. I'm doing fuchsia.
Moisture.
I don't have any fuchsia ones. Okay. Tiniest bit. Okay. Hold on. I haven't even started stirring yet. Gosh. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm stirring.
Beautiful color.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
This is amazing. Water?
Yeah. No, wait. What? You already added water, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
What? Oh, I love this color.
Just keep stirring.
That's okay.
Whip it up. Whip it hard. Whip it good.
Add some more of that right now. More. Okay, good. There we go. I like that.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Okay,
It'll stir.
Papu, your turn. You try. Do some mixing while
I think we need a little more color in that one.
No, I like this color. Okay, it looks like a pancake. Like a clear, bubbly pancake.
You should have been mixing.
God, we need to get more of this. It's like almost gone. Okay. So, all right, I got it. Here.
Need a little more?
I need you to hold the bowl, though. Yeah. That's good. There we go. Hold the bowl. There we go. Now it's coming together.
Now
Okay.
it's coagulating.
It's like... There we go.
There it goes. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Get that on the side there.
Okay, more. All right, that's good.
That'll do it. Oh, perfect. Get that on the side.
Okay. Let's just bathe this slime in activator.
It's looking pretty good. I think it needs to be stirred more. You haven't got all of that.
Maybe a little bit more baking soda.
I don't think so.
Well, baking soda brings it together faster, like baking soda and borax. Baking soda is the...
Yeah, but if you
Natural.
do it now, it's going to go in lumps.
Hold on, stop. Hold on, stop. Let me get this off my finger. Oh, God. Okay.
What do you think?
It's definitely too sticky. Okay, so if it's too sticky, you need more of this.
Oh, not too much. You're the professional.
I am.
You know your, what do they call this stuff?
Slime.
You're the slime expert.
Okay, hold on. Okay, that's better, but still not good enough. Needs more stirring. Okay, so once this is, I feel like it's ready, then I'm gonna have you hold the camera and I'm gonna knead it.
Oh, gross. Aaliyah Ray. Oh, come on, don't do that. That's not funny.
Oh.
Especially when I got all that hair on my arms.
Okay,
Aaliyah.
you hold the camera. Hold it. Here. Just hold the camera like that. Hold it towards me. And I'm gonna help you get this.
Get this off of me. Ew, get it off.
He is so mad. I'll get as much off as I can, then you gotta wash the rest off. Alright, go wash it off. Go wash it off. I'll take this. He is not happy. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can set this up here somehow. I'm like, okay, that's good. All right, so this is stuck to the mixer. Okay, we'll put that over there. Oh my gosh.
Slime.
Yep, you have. 100%. By me. Alright. Okay, now it's time for kneading. Oh! Oh! Oh.
You've been slimed.
Can you itch my hair? Uh-oh. My head itches. Uh-oh. Write in the comments if you've gotten slime stuck in your
You're
hair.
dripping it all over. Don't
Help.
get it in the carpet.
Help me.
Help you what?
I don't know. Write in the comments if you got slime stuck in your hair, because I have many times, and it's not fun. Uh-oh. Okay, so.
Get that all over the bowl.
Move the bowl. It's in the way of the camera. Okay. No, you don't touch slime.
Tell me if I can tell.
Okay.
I'm getting rid of the slime, the extra slime.
Off. No, you're just gonna ruin it.
Wait. You think I am stupid?
Yeah. Okay. Ah! Oh, okay, so you are going to, yeah, do that. And then you're going to hold the camera.
Now put that on that so you pick it up.
Okay, now. Okay, you hold the camera. Okay. So, let's see. So here's the slime number 2. Okay, so, oh, wow. Here, give it to me. Okay, so, here we go. Slime number 1, slime number 2. And, Papu, what color slime are we gonna make next? Here, I'm gonna put this in here.
I said yellow before, but
Okay.
I only got one